Hi, thank you for watching this Amherst alarm tutorial video. My name's Joe and today we'll be reviewing how to change the batteries in your HS2LCDWF wireless keypad. Before we get started, make sure you contact Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center to let them know that you'll be changing the batteries, as this will cause a tamper alarm to go off on your panel and send an alarm to Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center. Let's get started. This is the HS2LCDWF wireless keypad. To get started, you're going to want to slide the keypad up on its base plate and pull it away from the wall. Then you will see on the back there are 4 AA alkaline batteries. To remove them, you're just going to want to gently pull them out. And that's it. To put the new batteries back in, you'll just want to follow the markings to show which way they go. And with your batteries set, you're going to want to put the pad back on its base plate and push it down gently. You'll hear it snap into place, and that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you have any questions, please call 716-632-4600. Thank you.